Let's teach our dogs come. When using this, it's a form of recall. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure not to call your dog off of anything they find fun or interesting, because otherwise they'll learn that that means the fun ends. You want this to be where the fun begins for your dog. So to start this cue, of course you want to get your treat, have your dog on a 6-foot leash, and we're simply going to run backwards and act really excited to get our dogs to come. Steve, come on, come on, good girl. When you're doing this, you can start to add the cue. Steve, come. Yeah, good girl. You'll want this to be really